One. Yeah, I'm not through. Yeah, I'm not. Oh. Nice one. Back up. Back up. I'm still moving. Shouldn't be backing up like that. People are idiots. Like you see a car backing out and then you back out at the same time. Like, dude. Good thing I have everything on camera. I don't play games. You just have to go that way. So. Okay. The Best Buy is right there. I don't need to go anywhere else, really. Okay. This is so confusing. That is not how you make a turn. Not how you make a turn. You do not cut the corner. It's in the DMV book. Do not cut the corner. Jeez. That's how you cause an accident too. That stupid GPS. I wish it would work. Oh. Relying on my phone, which sucks. Okay, so it's on this side. I'm making Tracy if I can. Oh, it's such a mess. Okay, Best Buy's over there. Just have to... The other side to this is right here. That's okay. I did this just because of Best Buy's right there. My park is closed. Like, ooh, nice shirt. Ooh, that's cool. Like your shirt. It's nice. I think that was a Raiders one too. Looking hot. Best Buy. He just throws him. He's a security guard. Wow, it's sad. Because I'll work here. That's why it's right here. If I have to go back towards Hammer, I'm gonna have to. I want to because I'm backtracking, which I'm trying to avoid. Okay, don't close until, yeah, 8, but it's 7:24, 27.